Microsoft Excel. Agenda for this video is single and multi-level sorting. What do you understand by sorting? Suppose we have a data. This is our data. Okay. You can see the headers, segment, country, product, discount band, and so on and so forth. Now, you want to sort column A, which is segment, and column B, which is country. When you sort these two, you want all the others to sort because you have sorted that. So let's get started. How to do it? Suppose if we just want to sort the segment. So how to do it? Go on the home tab, go to sort and filter, sort A to Z. Before that, select column A, go to home tab, go to sort and filter, sort A to Z. And this dialog box will come. So expand the selection, obviously, because if you want to sort, you have to sort the whole data here. Otherwise, everything will be mixed up and your sheet will be pathetic. That sheet will be of no use. Okay? So expand the selection, sort. See, whole data got sorted and segment changes to A to Z it has been changed to. Okay. Just I'm undoing it so that we can just try more options. Control Z. Now I want to sort via country. I'll go sort and filter. Now I'll sort by Z to A. Country. Expand the selection. Sort. See, whole sheet got sorted. Okay. Again I'm using Control Z. So this is my sheet, original sheet. Okay. Now suppose I want to sort segment with discount band. This both should get sorted, and with that I want to sort the whole sheet. Okay. How to go forward about this? Go to sort and filter. It's in the same home. Sort and filter. We understood sort A to Z, sort Z to A. Now we'll understand what is custom sort. When we click on custom sort, see, I made an error. We have to select the whole sheet, sort an error, custom sort. A dialog box is coming. Okay. Now, how we have to sort by? So, sort by segment. Okay, column A, because we have selected all. If we have just selected from A1 to L1, then here segment, country, product would have been there. We'll do that as well. So column A, sort on values, sort in the order of A to Z. Okay, we'll add a level. Column D, which is discount band, we need to sort that. We have to put the values only and we'll sort by Z to A. Okay, and when we click on OK, the whole sheet will be sorted and it will be sorted according to column A and column D both, and it will accordingly be sorted. When I click on OK, just see the difference, guys. So this is how it is done. Okay, I'm just undoing it again. Okay, now again. So what I will do is I will just add some colors. Okay, suppose this. Okay, this I will just sort by that, so that will be very easy for you guys to understand the sort filter. Okay, okay. Click on sort and filter, custom sort, sort by column A, sort by cell color. Cell color is the color on top. Okay, add level. So suppose if we have to sort from profit. Okay, so profit is column L. Sort by cell color. is we have given that on top or on bottom. Okay. And when we click on OK, in column A, everything will go on top whose color is light blue. And in column A, everything with color will go on the bottom when I click on OK. This will happen together. So this is a very wonderful and amazing function, and it is very easy to work on, and it will help people to sort the data easily with applying some levels, add level, delete level, copy level. You can do everything. My data is headers. I will use that. See, when I clicked on that, this automatically came, which was coming column A, column B, column C. Now it is changed to the headers. So you can click on that also if you want to. Okay. Then I'll click on OK. See the difference? These are on the top and these are on the bottom. Okay. Some some obviously will come because this will be according to first filter, first sort. Okay. So yeah, I'll just control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z. Now I wanted to teach you one more function which is very important and very useful, which is filter, using filters. Okay, filtering records. When there is a large set of data, sometimes requires to bring attention to some parts of the data and hide the rest. Autofilter help in filtering the data in a list or table. Let's see. We'll select the whole table. We'll same go on home tab, the sort and filter button. In editing, we clicked on filter and see this filter came, and we can filter it out as we want. We just want high, low, medium. Okay. We can sort here also, sort by color, sort A to Z. We can do that also here. Filter by color, text filter, equals, does not equal. We can use that also. Custom filter we can also use. Or we can just select everything and we can select one and we click on OK. See, this is very simple. If you just want to remove it, if you just want to remove the filter, select all, OK, go to this filter again, clear. So every filter is removed. Okay, and if you don't want the filter sign this time also, you can just click on filter again and filter will get removed. Okay, so this is about sort and filter. We have understood multi-level sorting, single sorting, multi-level sorting, and filter. So I'll just repeat it once again. What is sorting? If you want to sort the large number of data, and if you want to sort maybe two columns or three columns together, we can also do by a multi-level sorting by adding the level. Okay, adding the levels. We can remove the level, we can change the levels, we can make as much changes as we want. We can change by color, we can change by the alphabet, we can change by number, we can change by font, we can do everything. It's a very useful function and a very important function to use, because when there is a large set of data and we just need to know how much the discount band of the low. Okay, so we can just filter it out or we can just sort, and we can keep low at the top so that if your manager or your senior authority wants to see something, they can easily see. That's why this is a very important function. It's very simple. You just have to go into the home tab, sort and filter, A to Z, AZ to A, custom sort. From filter also we can just sort. Okay. From filter also, when we have clicked on filter, we can do single level sorting from the filter button as well. Okay. And as we know, Control Z is for undo, so that because we have to work on this data only, that's why I don't want to keep the filter on. Understood? So this is how it is done. And if you want to learn more about it, You should go through support.microsoft.com